but how to be able to catch oneself in the process to see what we are seeking is ourself. And that's the journey we all have to take to figure it out. The awareness is always there. Even in the inward journey, the awareness is watching or participating with the mind. Whether it's idea or the visualization or imagination, it's still outwardly. Until we be part of the dismantling part of the inward journey, then we will come to catch oneself in the process. Then the awareness will be aware of its own nature. So, until we do the work of dismantling the mind, the awareness is always moving outwardly and being part of the mind and being part of the expanding the mind, or getting stuck with the mind. Is being part of the play rather than stopping the play and recognizing who is watching the play and who is playing the game. That is impossible until the subtractive work is there. Again, I'm saying, you cannot fully understand the observer observing and something is observed completely until you see the truth. So, here's another way to see this inwardly. Again, this whole thing is about